Vi har hamnat hos Hasselblad och just nu så står jag med Perry Oosting. Hej!
Hey, how are you?
Have you learned any Swedish?
Not much. I've been busy with other things, unfortunately.
Yeah, hectic schedule, I guess. We've been in interviews all day, so perhaps this is the last one?
It's not the last one yet,
really?
Because tonight we have also the Masters ceremony.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's like a tradition where we announce not only the 10 Masters, but we also announce the book.
Yeah,
the Masters
exactly.
book.
And
So
we'll be staying for that also.
thank you.
But now we have some interesting stuff to talk about. You have a X1D in your hand.
I've got the second X1D in my hand.
Yeah, the second one.
Because we met each other first in London, and then of course we did a live streaming event in Göteborg on the 22nd of June, where I announced the first compact mirrorless medium format camera, the X1D.
Yeah.
Now 40-75 years, you see it here, 4116, meaning 1941-2016, we have made a whole collection, which is a collection of studies, partnerships, and also celebrating, I would say, a new icon of the brand. And this is the new X1D. It's the X1D 4116 collection, which is in a pure black aluminium version and anodized. Yeah. It's a special edition that comes in a special gift box, meaning it comes with a hand grip, it comes with a 45mm lens, and it comes with an additional year of guarantee. And it is especially made for the 75 years of Hasselblad, to celebrate a new icon, celebrate a concept, celebrate the concepts.
Yeah, it's pretty compact. I was touching it for the first time. That's when I arrived here at your place, and it's really compact. I mean, isn't that that's engineering? I mean, how do you do it?
Well, how did they do it? It's a program by itself. Well, first of all, as you know, the concept of Hasselblad is that we have the shutter of the camera inside the lens. Yeah. So, of course, there you save considerable space.
Yes. Yeah.
Not only that you save space, but you also give, more stability to the camera experience, less vibration because of having the shutter inside the lens. Yeah. That's one thing. And second of all, of course, we have worked very hard on the compactness with the board and aligning that with the 50 megapixel sensor, together with using aluminum, which is strong and light, in order to make that happen, that you come actually with a camera weighing around 725 grams and in the dimension that you see here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really interesting to see how it's handcrafted and everything, and also
and made in Sweden.
Yeah, and made in Sweden, exactly. And also you showed when you press the button also how it pops up and you can choose
and actually I just tell you about the pop-up dial mode. I mean, it's really that we listen if this is the right click.
Oh really? Oh, yeah.
No, it's also that user experience. It's not only just that it is a click, but making sure, and we have redesigned that twice in order to achieve that click. So we made to make sure that if you have the simplicity, you better are good in those simplicity of the keys, and that's what we worked on quite hard.
Into details.
Well, attention to detail, and it's also how, the dual card mode, and of course your in and outputs on the audio and the HDMI, how this is all being constructed with our team in Göteborg.
Yeah. Also, you have some more stuff to show, but we can't touch it, but it's here.
It's right here. It's a concept study. It's called the V1D. Yeah. V, of course, from Victor, but also V from the V system and the V cameras. So what we were asking ourselves, so could we imagine such a legacy product, and the V camera was the legacy product of Hasselblad, in a modern way? So this is an appearance model, and it's all about portability, but also modularity. Yeah. So you can put the screen on the top, you can put the screen on the bottom, you can do the handle grip on the right, on the left, you can put a bottom, you can have both grips, you can have the viewfinder, you can have, of course, your shade for your display usage, a full modular concept, together with the new XCD lenses that we launched with the X1D. Yes, yeah. So it's just a concept study. We want just to hear what the market thinks of this. We have no commitment if we will make that into production. It's inside is 100 megapixel that we cropped to a square. And by coincidence, it sounds almost tacky when I say it, but by coincidence, when you crop the 100 megapixel to a square, you have 75 megapixel.
Yeah.
Now, what better could it be? 75 years of Hasselblad
Of course.
and a 75 megapixel sensor.
Interesting. So we'll see what happens if we one day will use that camera for testing Kamera Bild. Thank you very much for talking.
Thank you. Tack så mycket.
Tack själv.
Thank you very much.
Kul att ni tittar på Kamera Bilds webb-tv från Photokina 2016. Fortsätt med det. Vi tar en liten paus här. Hej då.